Hello, it's Mrs.Z. It's a lesson 18 in grade 5, mission 6, word problem. Okay, let's see what is problem about. Dennis buy 8 meters of ribbon. So 8 meters of ribbon. He uses 3 and 25 hundredths of the meters for a gift. He uses a remaining ribbon equally to tie boxes on 5 boxes. So remaining he used for 5 boxes. How much ribbon did he use on each box? That's the question. How much ribbon did he use for each box? So we start with reading, and then we will do and draw a problem, and then we're gonna write, do a calculation and write. So Dennis buy 8 meters of ribbon. Let's pretend that now today maybe we can use a number line. So if that is parallel, I can line. All right, so if I use let's see, I want to do this. Okay, if that is my ribbon, his ribbon, and he start with the 0 meters, and he bought 8 meters altogether. You can, so now it says he used 3.25 meters. So if this represents that how much he used 3 and 25 meters. Okay, so this is used, right? Okay, and then this is a remaining. So we can also label this is remaining. Remaining ribbon. Okay. So now they say that he is going to use this remaining ribbon equally to tie boxes, and he will tie 5 boxes. So what that means that this remaining part he needs to cut into 5 equal pieces that will represent 1 box. So if I go and I just need 4 lines to make 5 pieces, so 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, that will represent 4 boxes. So the question is, how much ribbon did he use in each box? Or this represents 1 box, is question mark. So, okay, we need to figure it out how much is this 1 part of the remaining. But also he used already this much, so we don't need to worry about that. But we need to know how much is remaining if he used 3 and 25 meters. So remaining is still unknown, so that's also question mark. Okay, so when we think about that, the whole was 8 meters. So 8 meters, we could make 8 whole meters has no decimeters or centimeters. So it's 8.00. And we can subtract how much he used. He used, I'm gonna 3 and 25. Okay, so precision is very important. I like to use my highlighter to divide the hundreds. Oops. And the decimal needs to be online when you are doing subtraction or aligned subtraction or addition as well. Okay, so 8 wholes and meters. We don't have any tens or hundreds, so we have to regroup. 1 meter will give me 10 decimeters, so then I need a centimeter, so I'm going to do that 9, and that becomes 10. So now I do have 10 hundredths, I have 9 tenths, and then 7 wholes, and I can subtract 10 give away 5 is 5, 9 give away 2 is 7, 5 plus 5 makes 10, 2 plus 7 makes 9, and 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 makes 7. So remaining is 4 and 75 meters. So right now we know that the remaining is 4 and 75 meters. That was our remaining part. So next step would be that we need that remaining to cut into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. So this remaining is 4 and 75 divided into 5. Okay, so we can use a standard algorithm. We will use our knowledge of, let's make that, is 4.75. We will make a groups of 5. My group is 5 wholes. So my decimal point will appear right above where it used to be. So I'm taking one number at a time. Can I share equally 4 wholes into 5 groups? No, I can make no groups, 0. Then I will regroup the wholes to have a 47 tenths. So now if I have 47 tenths, I can divide them in groups of 5. And I know that 9 times 5 is 45. When I subtract, I will have 2 left over. 2 tenths, I will bring my hundreds there. So now I have 25 hundredths. I can share equally 25 hundredths into 5 groups. Each group will have 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. And I have no remainders. So my answer is that it's 0 meters, 95 hundredths of the meter will be used for each box. So 0.95, 0 and 95 hundredths of the meter will use for each box. And then we need to write the answer. So we can use language from a question. How much ribbon did he use on each box? We could use Dennis, use 0.95 meters or 95 centimeters for each box. Okay, so let me use this part here. Okay. All right, so this will be it. This is our word problem lesson 18, and that was done. We read, understand the problem. We draw a picture, or at this time I use number line, but you can use the tape diagram, same. And then you can, and then we also write our answer in a full statement. All right, this was Mrs.Z. I hope you like this, and I hope that I help you with your learning. Okay, bye bye.